Welcome to Vridvesh Finance, and this week we are providing Nasdaq analysis exclusive by Vridvesh Finance, which will be valid from 11th of the May 2026 till 16th May of 2026. Guys, last week, 15 days back, whatever we have predicted has not become so true. We are not certified for anything we do. Simply plain chart analysis over here, and that's the reason we are on this stock analysis, sorry, indices analysis as of right now. Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100. So guys, if you see whatever we have delivered in the last month, probably up to certain limit it is not becomes a pick of the month or something like that. Probably it may happen in the nearest future, hopefully, guys. It doesn't matter. Yes, my YouTube audience, sometimes I don't understand. Actually, we have lost the Twitter account, so that's the reason. Probably we are unable to publish it. I don't know where to put it, this detail. So, how to get the market, I don't know. So anyways, guys, so Nasdaq Composite Index has closed around 26,247.08 USD, and then apart from that, here Nasdaq Composite Index may goes up. How much it will be goes up, Nasdaq Composite Index? So this is just a quite cool predictions from our end, and we were expecting the market will rise around 1000 points, means 27,000 points. It can goes up. If it is goes down, it can goes around 500 points. It can be 25,500 points. So but here is the new peak of this month or the upcoming days, because market doesn't trend according to our expected. Nasdaq will hit the record or not, we can't say as of now. The previous link of Nasdaq analysis, which is in the video in the description, today onward we will not give in return. I mean, previously we were telling you that this will be the this will be expected number of Fibonacci, it will be the stable around this and that, but we were expecting. Now we will do all things in audio only, because our channel is not growing, so that's the reason. So Nasdaq 100, if we see that Nasdaq 100 is literally close around 29,234.99 USD. So here is the here is we were expecting this can go, so this will be crossed by this week, I guess, so around 1000 points above, so it can touch up to 30,200, and not 32,000. Guys, don't expect too much. So 30,200 points and above means 30,400 around it, but probably we will not give that much volatility. 30,000 is enough for uptrending one, and the downtrending it can goes up to 500 points down the line, that is 28,700 around it. So Nasdaq 100 will perform majorly uptrending one, and Nasdaq Composite Index too. And guys, if everything is as per our idea or as per our point of view, so thumbs up, at least you can give a like to us, hopefully. So other than that, actually people are watching the old video, they are not watching the current video, and that is ridiculous, I guess. So I mean, you should watch the latest video rather than the old video. Old video doesn't make sense, no? So it's all about Nasdaq analysis, guys. So if you like it, our YouTube channel, share with your intelligent friend. Okay, have a great. So that's all about the Nasdaq analysis, and we have uploaded other three hot equity videos. One is Disney Walton, And then the what that Discovery Bros. Wait, I'll tell you. Yeah, we have uploaded Walt and Disney Co., Warner Bros. And Company, AMD, Intel, Nvidia, and exclusively Netflix will be available very in a short amount of time. So hopefully you will like our video. Then subscribe our YouTube channel if you believe that our analysis or stat really meet your expectations, guys. So, anyways, I believe that our channel only based on some strat rather than this one and that one. Okay. I really appreciated your precious time with us. I'm really grateful for my audience who's spending a time on our YouTube channel watching our old videos. Even I'm thankful to all of them who's watching our old videos. And thank you, Bhavradvej Finance. Hope you will love our videos in nearest future, even while revising, repeating. I don't understand why the people are watching old videos, which is just about the briefing about the companies, even. That is quite strange. If anybody knows the reason, let me know into the comments, and absolutely we will we will bring something more than that on this platform. Hopefully you will love it. I guess everyone want relaxing time, so chill, guys, to all of you.